Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a part 2 video of me answering all your good interesting questions when I put up a story on Instagram asking you all to ask me the questions which you all have asked me, and lots of them. So this is a part 2 video of me answering. And hi, I am Kushi and I'm here to make you all smile, inspire and entertain, and it would really mean the world to me if you just subscribe to my channel and hit the like button to this particular video, and also make sure that you're watching the video till the end because we have a giveaway arranged for you guys in this video as well, and the results of previous week's giveaway is declared in the description box, so make sure that you are checking that out. And without wasting any further time, let's just begin with the video. So the first question for this particular video is from underscore dancing underscore in underscore moonlight underscore. I am unable to just like pronounce each and every user ID properly, but I know that you know that you have asked this question. So yeah, the question is, what is your biggest achievement after starting your business? So after starting this business, I have definitely achieved a lot of things that was always just a dream. Like when I started this venture, I never thought that I'm going to be getting any particular orders even for a month or two, because it needs some time to build a goodwill, to build that trust amongst your customers. But it was the second day when I got actually the order, and since then I am getting orders. But that being the first smallest achievement that I think it is. The next, I have actually achieved few things. Like I gifted my mom a phone, I bought myself an iPhone, which was just a dream, by earning from this business in which I'm actually shooting. And the next, I think the two biggest achievement for me has to be one, which is going to Dubai by my own like hard earned money. Like I never had a ड्रीम, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था. लाइक मैंने ड्रीम भी मेरे औकात के हिसाब से ही देखा था, आई फील. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड अर्निंग, आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड इट वाज दुबई वाज माय फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप. वो फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप होने की वजह से तो मेमोरेबल था ही, बट आई लाइक फील सो मच ओवरवेल्म्ड बिकॉज वो ट्रिप जो भी मैंने एक्सपेंसेस था, आई बेयर्ड इट बाय माई सेल्फ बाय अर्निंग फ्रॉम माई बिजनेस, and that makes it really special. And after that, the second biggest achievement has to be having my own house. Like जो thrift_books वाला आपने यूजर आईडी देखा था नियॉन लाइट्स में मेरे हॉल में, like you all have been asking me. So I have rented an apartment, and जहाँ पे मैं मेरा ये सब शूट, like that's the house where thrift books का काम चलता है. It's like kind of an office for my business, and being able to like bear the expense of the rent and all of that, that's really big. And I like have an apartment for myself and my business, and that's really huge. Like there are lots of people in Mumbai, in any like state और सिटी, जिनका खुद का घर होना एक बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम होता है. एंड वैसे शहर में मैं अगर खुद का एक हाउस अपार्टमेंट रेंट कर सकती हूँ, लाइक आई हैव नॉट, मतलब वो मेरे नाम पे नहीं अपार्टमेंट, बट आई एम एबल टू रेंट दैट अपार्टमेंट फॉर माई बिजनेस, फॉर माई वर्क, इज एक्चुअली अ रियली बिग थिंग. सो that's really special and I consider it as my biggest achievement. The next question is from Kushi__ Ozha. The question is favorite genre, and I feel if you still are asking me that question, you don't know me enough, and you should, because I have been, since the time I've started reading, since the time I've started this venture, the only thing that I mention a lot is like my favorite book, which is The Secret, and the favorite genre, which is self-help books and motivational books. मैंने ना हर जॉनर एक्सप्लोर कर लिया बिकॉज आई थॉट दैट आई शुडंट स्टिक विद जस्ट वन पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ बुक्स, but I have read thriller, I have read fiction, I have read romance, I have read mythology as well. But the joy that any self-help book or any motivational book gives me, and the motivation that it actually gives me, is the next level that I cannot consider any other genres as my favorite. So of course self-help books has to be my favorite one. And then the next question is from Shreyas Lay, and I hope I'm spelling it right. But the question is, how many books you have read till date? I genuinely don't keep a count, and I genuinely don't know exactly कि मैंने for example 42 books read किए and all of that. But I can just say that it's more than 30 plus books, which is a very small number for lots of people who are an avid reader, which I'm trying to be consistent, because since the time I have been doing this business for full time, it's getting really difficult to be consistent and to read and explore more books. बिकॉज एक बुक पढ़ने में ही मुझे इतना ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है कि मैं नेक्स्ट बुक तो कभी ही पढ़ूंगी. सो पहले मेरा ऐसा नहीं होता था. पहले आई यूज टू रीड लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ बुक्स. लाइक मैंने एक टारगेट अचीव मेंटेन करके रखा था कि मुझे 3 months में दीज आर द नंबर ऑफ बुक्स दैट आई हैव टू फिनिश, एंड आई यूज टू ट्राई टू अचीव दैट टारगेट. बट नाउ एक बुक पढ़ने में ही मेरे बहुत महीने निकल जाते हैं. सो yeah, the next question is by Lokendras. The question is investment and the time it takes to get your first order and source of getting books. So talking about my business, I didn't invest at all in the beginning. I just sold the books that I had. फिर जैसे जैसे मैंने बुक सेल करना स्टार्ट किया, उसका जो इनकम आता था उससे मैंने थोड़ा बहुत स्टॉक किया, उससे कमाया, थोड़ा स्टॉक किया. दैट्स हाउ आई एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड दिस बिजनेस. एंड अभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि जेन्युइनली गेटिंग द ऑर्डर वॉज अ बिग डील फॉर मी, कि 1-2 महीने बाद देख लेंगे, धीरे धीरे ऑर्डर्स आना चालू हो जाएगा. बट द नेक्स्ट डे आई पोस्टेड दिस बुक, आई गॉट द ऑर्डर फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर बुक, एंड दैट्स हाउ this happened. The next question is about your favorite, what is your current favorite book, and the answer to that has to be a seafarer's journey. Like I have been, like I do read, for those of you who still don't know, I do read. And this past week, not past week, I got this book from Amazon, A Seafarer's Journey, and I am in love with that book. The author is Ashish Unavne, and I love the books जो ना मेरा perspective change कर देता है about certain things. And जब मैंने ये book read करना start किया, I already had a perspective about a seafarer. Seafarer मतलब he gets to explore, he gets to visit new places, he has all the luxury all around him and all of that. But the main thing that I thought was, it's all luxury, it's all fun and enjoyment and all of that. तो ये मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव था अबाउट अ सीफेरर. बट जब मैंने ये बुक रीड किया, आई गॉट टू नो दैट व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स डज अ सीफेरर एक्चुअली गोज थ्रू, व्हाट इज द थॉट प्रोसेस दैट ही हैज, व्हाट आर थिंग्स दैट ही हैज टू लाइक बेयर बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइफ दैट ही इज लिविंग. एंड आई नेवर थॉट अबाउट दैट, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. एंड दिस बुक like helped me change that perspective about me. I could like know exactly a journey of a seafarer, and I would highly recommend this book to you all, because talking about like quality, it's really amazing, good quality, and it's available in Amazon, Flipkart and Notion Press and all of that. I will add the link in the description box, so make sure that you are checking that out as well. And talking about like price point, it is not at all costly. Like it's just 199 rupees. And अगर I don't any which ways find books very costly, so I would even bear 399 499 for that book as well. But अगर वो आपको 199 में इतना अच्छा बुक मिल रहा है, it has to be the bestseller, and it has to be purchased by you all as well, because this book is not just any book but a good quality poetry book. And the author Ashish Unavne has made sure that it is really poetically very interesting, so that you are not at all bored and you enjoy just, and you not only enjoy but actually understand a deeper meaning and emotional intelligence and all of that of a seafarer. So make sure that you are purchasing that particular book, and I hope you all make the purchase. The link is in the description box. Don't forget to check that out and make your purchase. The next question that lots and lots of you all have asked me, and there are lots and lots of times that I have ignored to answer that question because I don't think that it's important and I'm not interested in sharing that personal detail. And the question is, how much do you earn? Now, okay, this time I'll try to answer that. See, for a small scale business owner or any type of business, there is no specific amount that you can tell कि for example, like if you go to job, you know कि आपको month के end में 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh particular amount आपको मिलने वाला है. आप कितना भी काम करो, कभी भी काम करो, unless and until you are like taking holidays, तो वो कट होता है. But other than that, you get certain amount specifically, ठीक है. But when it comes to business, it's very difficult to tell you all कि मैं monthly इतना earn करती हूँ. For example, if I tell you मैं monthly 10,000 earn कर रही हूँ, so it's not necessary कि मैं next month भी 10,000 earn कर रही हूँ. In this kind of business, at least I can talk about my business. यहाँ पे हो सकता है कि मैं next month शायद 5,000 भी earn कर रही हूँ, या हो सकता है कि मैं next month 20,000 भी earn कर रही हूँ. So that particular range is not very consistent, but I would just say that we earn in 5 figures. At least I earn in 5 figures. So yeah. The next question is from Aisha.nalia_A. The question is, would you do an exclusive book review video? Yes, I could do that. Definitely, why not? But for now, the Seafarer's Journey is the actual review video. A small glimpse of the review video that I would like to highly recommend and suggest you all. So make sure that you are purchasing that out. And yeah, I would be interested in doing an exclusive book review video. The next question is by Shubdeep_is_official. The question is, what is your favorite music while reading a book? To be very honest, I read book in a very different kind of way. I would say not bad or good, but I genuinely, मैं मन में book read नहीं कर सकती हूँ. अगर आप मुझे कोई भी book देते हो, I read it out loud, because just like आप studies करते टाइम वो जोर से पढ़ के read करते हो, बाहर करते हो, I don't बाहर that obviously, but मैं जो भी book read करती हूँ ना, वो जोर से पढ़ के read करती हूँ. And it's just the habit that I have from years, I think so. तो अभी अगर मैं मन में भी पढ़ रही हूँ ना, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे को शायद वो समझा नहीं है, या मुझे वो अच्छा ही नहीं लगता है. आई हैव ट्राइड कि मैं मन में रीड करूँ या सॉन्ग लगाऊँ, कैंडल्स जलाऊँ एंड आई विल रीड, बट ऐसे होता ही नहीं है. मैं बस ज़ोर से पढ़ती हूँ. सो जब मैं ज़ोर से पढ़ती हूँ तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट आई नीड एनी काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक. आई वॉन्ट दैट पीस कि मैं अच्छे से पढ़ पाऊँ. सो आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ गोल. The next question is, can you it's from Nayan Sawant_07. The question is, can you post some school of good and evil books, all parts, and also wherein can get them? Actually, this particular set is not available with us, but I'll definitely try to arrange if I can and provide it to you all. But yeah, this brings us to the end of this particular video. And in this week's giveaway, I'm just checking. Okay, in this week's giveaway, if you want to earn books of worth up to rupees 2,000 for absolutely free, all you have to do is like this particular video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and comment below that you have done all of these steps. And also let us know one video that you would like to see in our coming YouTube videos, and we will do that. So make sure that you are participating, because शायद अगर आप ये वीडियो के विनर नहीं बन सकते हो तो क्या हुआ, because each and every video that we are posting on YouTube has giveaway arranged for you guys. So make sure that you are participating in the giveaway. And thank you so much for watching the video till here. Thank you so much for like subscribing, showing all the love, and thank you so much for each and everything. Like if you're still watching, just know that you have made my day. and yeah, I will see you very soon the next time, but until then please take care and bye bye.